Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the permissions in the Amazon shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the fourth option there, which are three lines. Press on it, and here you will see in the shop by category section the second option, which are the settings. Press on it, and you should select here the second option presented to you, which are the permissions. And after doing so, you should wait a little bit until they all load in, and you can see the permissions for all of these things here, just like Bluetooth, camera, contacts, location, microphone, motion, storage, and all the other stuff. So you can see here permissions for a lot of functions. Now you can just press on either of these and it will pop up to you an allow option, and if you press on allow it will be allowed. And you can see now it is a check mark there. So yeah, that is how you can see that something is allowed or not. Unless that is the case, everything else will be disabled, by default. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.